You love photos, so why don't you sell your photos on Redbubble to earn a lot of money? Welcome again, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, let's talk about how to sell your photos legally on Redbubble to earn a lot of money. And to your knowledge, Redbubble allows you as an artist to upload and print not only your designs but also your photos. That is your chance right now to monetize your photos. And to get you straight to this point, let me show you one of my recent sales regarding this topic. Let's go. As you see here, you have made a sale. It was 11 hours ago. Congratulations on your recent sale on Redbubble and this customer in Australia. And our design and our photo for today is about two throw pillow of waves of ocean. It's an amazing picture that you can upload here on Redbubble to earn money. And your margin would be like that, $5. Thus, if you're a traveler, voyager, and globetrotter and love taking photos of building landscapes in your cities you are visiting, so Redbubble is your right place to upload your photos and earn money from your passion. And believe me, many people love purchasing your photos printed on other items, starting with stickers, shower curtains, tapestries, and so on, as a piece of art and aesthetic in their homes. So if you're a photographer and you have your own photos, just from now on upload on Redbubble and earn money from creativity and your skills. And here a good question comes up. I am not a photographer and I don't have any photos. So how could I sell photos legally on Redbubble to earn money? Here in this video, I'd like to show you step by step how to get photos to sell on Redbubble with all needed details like title, tags, and descriptions, and the upload process. So first one, how to get photos to sell on Redbubble. You have two options. The first one, you can get royal stock photos with a commercial license or without any copyright. And for that, I would like to show you an amazing website that will blow your mind. This amazing website is so called odan.net. It's a wonderful website. Here you can search any photo in any niche, any topic, and you can look for any photo in different 38 websites at a click of a button. For example, we can look for something like ocean, waves, sea, or a bird, animal, and so on, or Rome or New York City, and so on. So we can type here something like waves, for example. And just a few seconds, this amazing website directs you for different websites, 38 websites, to get your royalty stock photos for free with a commercial license. Like Unsplash, Pixabay, Kapoom Pix, ISO, Republic, Native Space, and Foca, and much more of all these beautiful websites that you can get free royalty stock photos. As you see, Free Nature, Picography, Negative Space, Porn Images, Life of Pics, J-Shots, Magdalene, and other 10 websites, and so on and so forth, to get your desired photo at the click of a button, as I said before. As you see, these amazing photos you can upload on Redbubble and any other print-on-demand platform to earn money as long as they are printed over items in print-on-demand business. Okay, as you see. So you can head to one of these beautiful websites like Picography, for example, and here you can find a lot of photos of waves and ocean and sea and so on, as you see. So you can pick one of these beautiful photos and upload on Redbubble to earn money legally and commercially. So the first way you can explore websites to get free royalty stock photos. And the second way that you can turn your thoughts and your ideas into an art by using artificial intelligence tools. And of course, I have talked about this amazing topic in a previous video. You'll find this video below in the description box. And a beautiful example and the most recent example of this beautiful website is Creative Fabrica or Creative Spark tool. And you see this one, Spark, create your art. All you have to do is just insert your thoughts, your ideas to turn it to your art and your photo. For example, you can type here something like waves. And of course, you have to make it more detailed and more descriptive than that. And click over that button. As you see, some amazing photos of waves of ocean, as you see, so you can use that commercially in your Redbubble or any other print on demand platform to earn money. Perfect. And of course you can get some amazing photos from premium websites like freepik.com. Here you can find a lot of photos and the vectors and the graphics and the presets and so on. And as for our today's topic, I'd like to show you how to get your photos with commercial license. So you can select from this drop down menu, photos, and then you can look for anything like waves. And just a few seconds, here you can find 100,000 photos that you can use them on Redbubble or any print on demand platform, as you see. And of course you have to be a subscriber here on Freepik to get all these premium photos. Okay, perfect. And now let's move on to the next step for today, that is how to upload your photo successfully on Redbubble. And to do that, there's an important thing you have to know. This such art covers the whole item from A to Z. As a result, you have to make these photos with bigger dimensions, which are about 8,000 for width and height, or even 10,000 for width and height. So wherever you get your photos from Freepik or from Creative Fabrica Spark or from other free websites, so we have to head to this amazing website, which is so called onlineconverter.com. Here you can convert any format for another. And as for turning your photo with two bigger dimensions, so we can go to this part, image converter, and go together to what converts your photo to JPG or PNG. So we can select this one, convert to PNG. Perfect. And all you have to do, just you can upload and drop here your photo. So choose file and select our photo and our picture, like this one for example. And here you have to insert your new dimensions or big dimensions. As before, you have to insert like 8,000 or 9,000 or 10,000. So insert here 8,000 for width and height. Perfect. And just so you can click over that one, start to produce a newer version of your photo with bigger dimensions. Perfect. And after downloading the new version of your photo, upload it on Redbubble. And now it's time to get your title, description, and your tags. And as for title, I always tell you in my videos, to get organic sales from Redbubble search results, the best way is you have to get the main keyword of your design with lower competition. So how to get these less competitive keywords? Simply, and here you have to insert the main keyword of your niche or your topic. For example, we can insert here waves, for example, as you see, you will find huge competition or huge number of search results, as you see. Therefore, you have to select one of these beautiful and related keywords from suggestions of Redbubble, as you see, like beaches, veil, sea waves, for example, wavy, water skiing, and so on and so forth. For example, we can select this one, sea waves. So definitely here you will find lower number of search results, as you see. And that way you can get some ocean waves. Okay, so we can select something like ocean patterns or blue waves, for example, ocean landscape, water waves, deep ocean. So we can select something like beach waves, for example, and here you can find lower number of search results. So we can go back to select better one, like blue waves, for example, as you see, and we can blue ocean waves, for example. Okay, perfect. That way you can target the less competitive keywords. So you can take this main keyword and insert in your title of your design. Okay, perfect. And of course, I have talked about how to make your title description perfectly and professionally. You'll find this video below in the description box. And to get your tags of your design, of course, I have talked about details in a previous video. You'll find this video below in the description box as well. and quickly how to get tags of your design or your photo. So, and as for using PuppleSpider.com, for example, here you can find a lot of tools that will help you more in your Pupple business. And regarding getting your keywords and your tags of your design and your photos, so here you can find tag generator, and here insert your main keyword, okay, like waves of ocean or ocean waves and so on, like ocean waves, and click over this one, find tags. As you see, like ocean waves, sea, beach, wave, water, blue, surf, summer, cute, and so on. And of course you can add some long tail keywords like waves of ocean and the blue waves and so on, and other suggestions of Redbubble itself. And of course I have talked about how to get your long tail keywords and other types of tags to make your design rank higher on search results professionally and smoothly. From this video below in the description box as well. And now it's turning to get your description of your design. So what's the meaning of description of your design? It's some sentences that describe your design plus a call to action that motivates your customer to purchase your product. And for getting your description of your design, just you can make it yourself if you have some imagination and creativity to write down your description of your art and your photo, or you can get help from some artificial intelligence tools. And for sure I have talked about in details these amazing description generators to make your design higher on search results as an important SEO or search engine optimization parameter. You will find this video below in the description box as well. And to then, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.